Alright, so I am here with another layout. I just finished, which is October 31st, and I just finished the last of my Competency 5 assignments, so pray she accepts them, and then I'm officially done with doing assignments. Yay, that feels good. Okay, anyway. So my background is Basil cardstock. I'm going to use this yellow floral, which is Miss Modern Stamp Market. And that house pattern is Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home. And then I'm going to use up these tags. And I know that one has the wording upside down, but because of the hole where the hole was positioned. And then this is more pictures. This is Mateo as he went to kick the ball, or before he kicked the ball, when he kicked the ball, and retrieving the ball. So he was playing soccer on his trampoline during our distance learning. Thank goodness for Zoom, because I would say go outside and play, and I'll continue to do my own work inside and can still see you and talk to you. Because I never liked him being outside by himself. I mean, even though he's 8 here in this picture, now 9, but still. It's hard to believe. I've been taking care of him since he was 5. So it's hard to believe he'll be 10 in May. Good night. Alright, so I mean, which Mateo and I, we surprisingly enough have a very good relationship for being stepson, stepmom. He's more like we're more like friends. I mean, we do everything together, so he's not just my stepson, but he's like my best friend too. Even though I am the disciplinarian and I do have to play mom, but we do a lot together. And I do enjoy my time with him. Sometimes it's nice to have a break, but at the same time, which now we should be taking a bike ride around the lake while it's cool outside. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's see. The die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home, and all those tags were cut from a cut-apart sheet, except for some of that I cut from patterns. So I printed out another place we could go to, Mateo. I have this one too, which is Camp Geneva, which is in Lady Lake. Oh no, sorry, Fruitland Park, so it's not far. And this one is from 12 p.m. to 8. So we could do, when is this one? So you could go to this one first at 6. And then head over to this one and do from 7 to 8. And then you could go over to Village View and do 8 to 9. So 6 to 7, 7 to 8, and 8 to 9. And then if we decide we got enough from between those two, then we don't have to go to Village View. All right. And then, of course, my title is from American Craft Sunshine Thickers, which I don't even remember what kit those come from because it's several kits ago. And so I had some pictures printed and I cut the phrases apart and placed them with what pictures they would go well with. And I love I can shut my AC off. I did that before when it was cool. I shut my AC off and my electric bill actually went down $100. It's usually it's been $350 and this last month it was $350 and this month it's $266. It's like, yeah. Because there was a day or two weekends where I shut the AC off and I opened up the windows the whole weekend. So I don't know if that's the reason, but anyway. So once I put the title down, that is going to pretty much complete this layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.